Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will compare Git log versus Git reflog. Git log is your window into the project's commit history, showing a clear, linear progression of changes. On the other hand, Git reflog provides a detailed record of every time your local head reference has moved, including actions like commits, merges, and resets. Understanding the distinct purpose of each command is fundamental for navigating your repository effectively and maintaining robust version control practices. Git log is primarily used to explore the official, shared history of your project. It displays a sequence of commits, each with a unique hash, author, date, and commit message. You can use various flags to filter this output, perhaps showing only the last 5 commits or commits by a specific author. It's your go-to command for understanding the what and when of changes that have been integrated into the main codebase. Git reflog, in contrast, is a personal journal of your local repository's activity. It tracks every single operation that modifies your head, even if those changes aren't part of the main commit history. This includes actions like rebasing, resetting, or even amending commits. It's a powerful safety net, allowing you to recover seemingly lost work by showing you exactly where your head was at any given point in time. So, which is better? Neither, as they serve different complementary roles. Use Git log when you need to understand the project's official, shared history, perhaps to review changes before a pull request. Employ Git reflog for personal recovery, like undoing an accidental reset or finding a commit you thought was lost. Git log tells you the story of the project, while Git reflog tells you the story of your local repository's journey.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.